Here we are in historic downtown Fort Morgan, and nothing says small town America like Rent-A-Center. Seriously, that is a strange thing to have in the middle of this small little town. But anyway, we're at this old looking building, and this is 231 Main Street. And look what we have in here. That door's locked. Old Pepsi machine. Hey, look at that. Yo. Oh my. Oh my.
Crusty bumper. That is crusty.
Oh, it's like one of those ones that like the inner part squishes in. I like those. Wait. What is that? The Anderson Elevator Company? Wait, what? Hold on. It says Montgomery right there. Maybe this was a Montgomery installed by Anderson or an Anderson installed by Montgomery? That's funky. I've never heard of that company before, ever in my life. Jim smoke? Okay. Well, let's quit dicking around and go up. Here we go.
Get a view quickly. There's Wells Fargo.
I don't think that has an elevator. I looked on the records. Look, that used to be... Oh, look, there's the elevator sign. That's pretty cool.
This thing is definitely neat.
Pretty cool for a little small town like this. Lobby. Monty. I like this. This is a neat elevator for sure.
It's not the biggest.
Elevator, but it's not terribly small either.
Sounds like it scrapes.
On something when it gets to the bottom. I love this stone.
That's awesome. Anyway, watch it close and that's it.